Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, CERT just filed an 8K announcing a CFO transition, and I am seeing a key detail about the interim hire that hints at continuity. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company is bringing in an interim CFO, and the name they picked suggests they're aiming to keep things steady during the search for a permanent replacement. So this is a current report filed by Certara Incorporated, which is a company that provides software and services to help develop medicines. Think of them as a behind-the-scenes helper for drug companies, making the process faster and more efficient. The big news here is that their Chief Financial Officer, John Gallagher, is stepping down. He has been with the company for a while and is leaving to pursue other opportunities. He is expected to stay on until the 14th of July, helping to make sure everything is in order before he leaves. Importantly, his departure isn't due to any disagreements or problems related to the company's finances or operations. This is generally a good sign, meaning it is a planned and amicable separation. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Certara has appointed Faiz Mohammed as the interim chief financial officer. He'll also be stepping into the roles of principal financial officer and principal accounting officer. This means he'll be in charge of the company's financial reporting and management until a permanent CFO is found. Faiz Mohammed isn't new to Certara. He's been with the company since 2018, serving as Senior Vice President of Finance and Treasurer. This is a crucial point because it means the interim CFO has deep knowledge of the company's financial operations and history. He's got over 25 years of experience working in areas like financial planning, SEC reporting, internal controls, and corporate governance. He even has experience at major accounting firms like Ernst & Young. This appointment is particularly noteworthy given his long tenure and experience within Certara. It suggests a smooth transition and a desire to maintain stability in financial leadership. When a company appoints someone from within for an interim role, especially someone who has been in a senior finance position, it often signals that they aren't looking to make any drastic immediate changes to financial strategy or reporting. They want someone who can hit the ground running and keep the ship sailing steadily while they conduct a thorough search for a permanent replacement. This can be reassuring for investors who might otherwise worry about unforeseen shifts in financial direction. The company also issued a press release to announce these changes, which is standard practice. They also used this announcement to reaffirm their financial guidance for the full year 2026. This is important because it indicates management's confidence in the company's future performance despite the leadership change. When a company reaffirms its guidance, it means they still expect to meet their previously stated financial targets, which can help calm any nerves investors might have about the CFO transition. The press release itself is attached as an exhibit to this filing. While we don't have the full text of the press release here, the fact that they are reaffirming guidance alongside the CFO announcement is a positive signal. It suggests that they believe the underlying business operations remain strong and on track. The filing is signed by Daniel Corcoran, Senior Vice President and General Counsel. This is also standard procedure. The date of the filing, the 17th of June 2026, is a few days after the original resignation notice was tendered on the 11th of June, which is typical for processing these kinds of personnel changes. Looking at the broader context, Certara Incorporated has a market capitalization of around $862 million, and their stock has seen a wide range in the past year from $4.45 to $13.88. Though the current price is not listed, they employ about 1515 people. Institutional investors like BlackRock and Dimensional Fund Advisors hold significant stakes, which often means there is a watchful eye on the company's stability and leadership. The recent news headlines also show continued interest in the company's stock, with analyses asking if it is time to consider buying. The reaffirmation of guidance in this filing, alongside the appointment of an experienced internal interim CFO, suggests Certara is trying to project an image of stability and continued growth. So, what is my take on this filing? The most important takeaway is the appointment of Faiz Mohammed as interim CFO. His deep internal knowledge and long tenure with Certara are significant positives. It implies that the company is prioritizing continuity and stability during this transition period. This move reduces the immediate risk of unexpected strategic shifts or disruptions in financial reporting. While a permanent CFO search will be crucial, having someone like Mohammed at the helm for the interim provides a strong foundation. The reaffirmation of guidance also suggests that management believes the company's financial performance will remain on track. The risk I am watching is how long the search for a permanent CFO takes, and if they can attract top talent from outside the company if they choose to do so. But for now, Certara seems to be handling this leadership change competently. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going, that is my take. Stay decoded. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and join our Discord community linked below.